Hey there, I'm Ryan Chan, your host at Masterminds in Maintenance. Today, we're opening the door to the world of maintenance and reliability optimization and letting you in on some industry secrets. Get ready for some invaluable insights from our guest, Nathan Kelley, a seasoned expert from Chevron. We'll be discussing strategies for minimizing costs and boosting reliability, common pitfalls to avoid, and the crucial role of a CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System. Stick around to learn how to balance cost reduction with reliability targets and make informed decisions that could revolutionize your maintenance operations. Today, we're thrilled to have Nathan Kelley, a seasoned expert in reliability engineering and CMMS from Chevron, share his invaluable insights. Nathan kicked off the conversation by sharing his journey from a chemical engineer at the Boeing Company to a reliability engineer at Chevron. His transition was fueled by his deep expertise in statistics and a passion for optimization, which is a core component in both process engineering and maintenance reliability. Exploring the essence of maintenance and reliability optimization, Nathan emphasized the importance of minimizing the total cost of ownership, or the lifecycle cost of an asset. He highlighted the criticality of understanding asset criticality to balance cost reduction and reliability targets effectively. Nathan shared some creative ways companies assign criticalities to their assets, usually categorized into high, medium, or low systems, which guide the maintenance programs. One of the most insightful parts of our discussion was Nathan's tips on making trade-offs between cost and reliability. He introduced us to the concept of reliability-centered maintenance, or RCM, a structured approach to making these trade-offs. He recommended several strategies, such as ensuring the right skill level for tasks, avoiding intrusive tasks, monitoring condition through predictive maintenance, and eliminating subjectivity in maintenance tasks. Nathan also pointed out common pitfalls in maintenance and reliability, such as oversimplification and over-reliance on original equipment manufacturer, or OEM, recommendations. He stressed the importance of going beyond these recommendations and using RCM to uncover significant cost savings and performance improvements. A crucial tool in this optimization process is the CMMS, which helps in tracking performance and maintenance data. Nathan discussed the importance of data transparency and frequent analysis to make informed decisions. He also touched upon the significance of user-friendly interfaces in CMMS to ensure high-quality data input. As we wrap up, Nathan expressed his wish for more people to understand the depth and breadth of the maintenance and reliability field. It's not just about following OEM recommendations. It's about understanding the intricate details and making informed decisions that can significantly impact the efficiency and effectiveness of maintenance operations. And that brings us to the end of this episode. We want to thank you for tuning in and joining us on this journey into the world of maintenance and reliability optimization. We've learned about the importance of understanding asset criticality, balancing cost reduction with reliability targets, and the role of a CMMS. We've also discovered the concept of reliability-centered maintenance and how to avoid common pitfalls in maintenance and reliability. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful discussions. To learn more about the tools and resources to help maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit upkeep.com. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, keep optimizing and innovating in the world of maintenance and reliability.